Hello students, how are you? I hope all are very fine and doing your regular study. As we yesterday, nutrition in plants told you about insectivorous plants, saprophytic plants and parasitic plants. These all topics we have covered. This is the topic related to the heterotrophic nutrition in plants. Now we are going to cover the last heterotrophic nutrition in plants topic, symbiotic plants. So that is the today's topic. I hope these all topics are clear so that it will be easy to understand why they are using this kind of nutrition. So heterotrophic nutrition, once again I want to tell you that the nutrition in which organism, plant or animals, they depend on others for their nutrition. So that kind of nutrition is called heterotrophic nutrition. So these all plants, they don't have their green plants. They are not green plants. They have not photosynthesis process. If they can do, like insectivorous plants can do photosynthesis, but they don't have nutrition of nitrogen. So that nitrogen they get from the insects. So yesterday I told you. Now I will tell you about symbiotic plants. So first of all I want to tell what is the meaning of symbiotic. Symbiotic plants means those plants which make their food with the help of each other mutually together. Means they prepare their food together. Some part of their food they give to each other, and then they distribute with each other, and then they share with each other. So in this way more than one plant used and they make their nutrition. So this is the way they are doing symbiotic nutrition. So symbiotic plants are those plants which use this nutrition in which they divide their sources like food, like shelter, like nutrients with each other. For example, you are living in any rented house, and the owner of that house is giving you space to live, and you are giving rent to him. Similarly, these plants are like this. Somebody is taking food from other, and other is giving shelter to that. So this is the way they are helping each other. So symbiosis is that term, ki relationship between two plants or two animals which are dependent on each other equally. Means that is a relationship. Symbiosis relationship. It is a relationship between two plants or two animals. We are discussing about plants, so we will talk about plants. Ki there is a relationship between two plants in which they are depend on each other equally. For what dependency, that we will discuss now. This relationship is called symbiotic relationship also. Means symbiotic means mutual relationship. That ki, like I told you example of rent house, ki you are living in a rent house, you are giving rent to the owner, and owner is giving you space to live. So same like that. So they are also, that is also symbiotic relation. This is also symbiotic relation. So this is the relation between plants. The main purpose is to prepare food for each other. So that is the main purpose, as we are discussing from last many days. So this is the main purpose, and they are sharing their sources with each other, and that is called symbiotic relation. Now I will tell you some examples, and by examples it will be clear how they share with their sources with each other. So first example is lichens. Lichens is a kind of greenery on trees. You can find this on tree stem or also in a normal surface. So in picture you can see that is given in your book also. This lichens is made by fungus and alga. Fungus and alga both are microorganisms. Means the organisms which we cannot see by our naked eyes. We have to use lenses, microscope. By that we can see them. So these two organisms are present in lichens. Means when they two both meet together, then this is formed. So this is the combination of these two. So what they do with each other? Fungus, it give water, mineral, shelter to alga. Means fungus has water, fungus has mineral, fungus has also space, so that alga live in that. And alga in return, what it will give? Alga will give nutrient to fungus to grow. Obviously alga will pay something in return, so that is paying by alga, that is nutrient. So alga is paying nutrient to fungus in return, and fungus is giving water, mineral and shelter to alga. So in this way they both are preparing their food of each other, and also they are living together. So this relation is called symbiotic relationship, as I told you earlier. I hope it is clear. Second example is fungi and tree. Fungi and tree means on tree a fungi lives. So why fungi can live on tree? Fungi, it helps to take water from soil and nutrient from soil and give it to the tree. So that is the main function of fungi for the tree. Means you know about water that we give to the tree, and nutrient is given by soil. So that water and nutrient both can be given by fungi to tree. So in this way tree can grow, and tree in return, what it does? Tree in return give nutrient to grow the fungi. That fungi is growing with the help of nutrient which is provided by tree, and also tree giving space to live, because trees has a large space. Fungi is not visible for us, so fungi is living on tree. So that's why fungi is taking shelter from tree and nutrients to grow from tree. And fungi in place, what it is giving? Fungi is giving water and nutrient to tree. So they both each other giving some to each other. So in this way what they are doing, they are using symbiotic relationship. Means they are mutually sharing their resources with each other. If fungi has to live on tree, so fungi has to give these all things, and tree will return give this thing. So this is the relationship which is called mutual relation, symbiotic relation, and the plants which are using this relation, they are called symbiotic plants. So they both are using symbiotic relationship and both are symbiotic plants. So they in both are getting nutrition from each other. So this is the way they are getting nutrition. Means they are not preparing nutrition by photosynthesis. They are this kind of plant is very different from rest, like insectivorous plant, parasitic plant, saprophytic plants. They are very different from each other. So I hope this topic of heterotrophic nutrition about the plants, it is clear. If I am clear, then please read it carefully from the book, and the worksheets will be given according to that. Please complete your worksheets. If previous worksheet problem you have, then send me a message, or any video problem, then please look at my channel in YouTube, by which I am sharing these videos to you, so that you can easily understand all the topics in lockdown period. There will be no any problem. I hope it will be useful for others. If you want to send these videos to others, then you can send these also. So it will be helpful for every student who are getting this. So please like the videos if you like, and also share the videos if you want to share it, and you can also subscribe my channel, so that there will be all the videos you can get on time. And please watch the video carefully. Thank you and have a beautiful day to all.